how to compare with no naka de, among.
お礼を言うのは私です。今までの人生の中で、今が一番満たされてます。
So here we have a piece of language that's often used to compare things either in a multiple number of groups, like 3 or more, or also something that goes for a long period of time. No naka de meaning among. Literally, naka is inside whatever is connected to the naught particle, and then de is in. So among whatever comes before the naught. So like seen here, jinsei no naka de, among my life. So we're looking at the whole period of a life. Among those many years, right now is where I'm most fulfilled. So here we're comparing every single year in your life, and now is the one that's the most fulfilling. And so after no naka de, you often see some sort of qualifier. Like here, ichiban, the most. So among my life, this is the most, dun dun dun. And we can see here in Trials of Mana that it doesn't have to follow ichiban all the time, it just needs some sort of qualifier. Like here, he is the strongest among the dragon race. Here the qualifier is Saikyou no Yatsu, the strongest guy.
今度の敵は竜帝と呼ばれるドラゴン族の中でも最強のやつだ。
Or like here in AI Somnium, among your acquaintances, so Shiriai no naka de. So maybe you have lots of acquaintances, and among all of them, who has the biggest...
彼女たちの知り合いの中で一番あれが大きいのは誰?
Or like here in Drakengard, among the boiled foods, I like stew the best. So maybe there's a whole selection of different types of boiled foods, and for them, stew is the best one. And so whatever comes before the naught particle needs to be a noun, like jinsei for your life, Doragonzoku, the dragon tribe, or Shiriai, an acquaintance. And it can also actually be used with these nouns kono, sono, and ano. And it actually uses the no in that word. So you don't need to have kono no naka de, no, you just have kono naka de. That means among these. Sono naka de, among those. So like here, among these, which do you like the most? Kono naka de, dore ga ichiban suki?
そして、この中で君はどれが一番好きかな?
この中で最強の武器を持ってるのは彼なんだからね。
皆さん、この中ではあなたたちが一番強いと思う。
And it doesn't necessarily have to be translated to among, it could also be inside or in. And you can actually see no naka de without any sort of quantifier, just used by itself. And this more means the in meaning. So like living in isolation.
数十年間、私は孤独の中で生きてきた。
Or I saw a light in the forest. This is very literally taking the meaning of naka being the inside. So mori no naka de, inside the forest.
私も昨夜、森の中で光を見たんです。
So we can see that no naka de can be used both by itself, just to literally mean inside this, like inside this forest, but it can also be used with a qualifier like ichiban, the most, to express that among a certain number of things, this one is the most, dun dun dun. Among my life, this moment is the best. Among all of the dragon tribe, he is the strongest. No naka de can be used for comparison in this way. So that was a very interesting piece of grammar right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying learning Japanese. As always, leave a like, comment, and if you really love the channel, then come join us in the Game Gengo Discord community directly through either the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you're having fun learning Japanese. And as always, I will see you again in the next video. See you guys.